Mabu hi, I am Aiko. I am designed to help you engage with customers in a way that feels personal and relevant to their needs. Imagine this. When a customer asks for help, I will provide instant answers in their preferred language, 24/7. If you need an air conditioner recommendation, just tell me the budget, and I will provide you with a list. If you are unsure about the right sizing for the space, we will help you get it. If you need to compare models, I will give you the features breakdown. And even calculate the energy savings on electricity. Just input your aircon usage details, and an electricity bill saving will be calculated by daily, weekly, and yearly, whether you are a consumer, a promoter, or an employee. I am always ready to support and guide you through all you need to know about Panasonic's tech and why to choose Panasonic. If you are feeling overwhelmed by all the info, I can summarize everything for you, provide quick access to product information, and even help with troubleshooting. With every interaction, I will continue to learn and improve myself to be even more helpful. Whether you're at the shop, an e-commerce portal, away on vacation, or even out on the golf course, I will be right by your side, always ready to assist you and your customers, whether online or on site, or even on the Panasonic AC app. Panasonic is fully committed in supporting our dealers to thrive with this AI revolution. Let me handle the heavy lifting of customer engagement so you can focus on growing the business. Together, we will offer unbeatable experiences to build customers' trust and keep them coming back. Cheers to our future cooperation and successful partnership. Feel free to reach out to me now. Maraming salamat po.